In this video I'm going to show you how to create this photo manipulation using Adobe Photoshop. First go to File, and open your second image. Just pick any selection tool, then make a loose selection around the subject's head. Open your Move tool, drag the image and drop it into the new background. Let's decrease the opacity. Press Ctrl T to free transform. Now adjust the size, angle, and position like so. When you're happy with your photo size and position, hit Enter on the keyboard. Set the opacity back to 100%. Click on the Mask button. Open your Brush tool, and Brush Picker. Choose your soft round brush. Make the opacity 100%, and the flow 100%. Select the mask, click the foreground color, and make sure black, then click OK. And just paint with black to erase the extras. To match the head color to the water, click on the adjustment layer icon and create a hue and saturation. Click on the clip to layer icon, then check the colorize box. I'm going to increase the hue. Then let's increase the lightness. Go back to adjustment layer icon, and create a brightness and contrast. Click on the clip to layer icon. I'll make the brightness -5, and the contrast -10. Then close Properties window. Select the top layer. Press Ctrl, Shift, Alt, and E to copy and merge all layers. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, and Camera Raw Filter. Open the Basic tab. I'll make the temperature -6, the tint -8, the contrast +14, the highlights +15, the shadows +12, the whites +24, the blacks -9, the texture +10, the clarity +7, the dehaze +11, the vibrance +8, and the saturation -7. Then click OK. Click on the adjustment layer icon, and create a color lookup. From the drop-down, select the Crisp Winter. Then close Properties. Decrease the opacity to 20%. And this is the result. Thanks for watching.